Now, look at these little hills right here, these mountains. These are the sound waveforms. These will serve as a map to where you are talking so that you know what parts to cut away so that what is left is only you speaking. Let's have a look. So when I decide to make an edit, I like to start right before I begin speaking. So right before the first mountain. You can move between the clips using the arrow keys. This will let you move very, very finely, frame by frame. Then I push S. S means split. It lets you split the clip so that way I can delete, push the delete button to eliminate that point where I'm not speaking, and then right click and delete. This will keep only the speaking parts.
All right. Good morning, afternoon. Welcome to lesson
So I
one,
listen to the clip
where we
to
will
make sure that
discuss
this is the speaking
the
part I want to
concept
keep.
of flipped learning. What is it?
So then I hit the space bar to pause at the last mountain, and then by clicking over the timeline and using the arrow keys, I find the next point to split. It's really good to split where the audio bars are as low as possible. You want to split when the audio bars are as low as possible. This means that when the clips intersect with each other, there won't be any surprising jumps in audio. It will sound very smooth. So again, S, delete, right click, remove.
What
Now,
is it? Well, according to Hung 2015,
then I click back onto the previous clip and I play to make sure that the transition sounds smooth. And then I continue and repeat.
flipping the classroom is a pedagogical method to blended learning in which the typical activities of classroom lectures followed by homework, this is more traditional,
S, thumb over, arrow key, delete, and
more
remove.
traditional, is in the reversed order and is often supplemented or integrated with instructional videos.
Once again, I split, I go over to the end, and I just delete this quiet part, and I listen to the transition.
What this means more simply is
So
that
far, so
in a
good.
typical classroom, a teacher will give a lecture and students will listen and take notes.
It's up to you how small of pauses are worth removing, but I like to remove as many as possible because I think it makes for a more engaging
Take
listening
notes.
experience.
Outside of class, students have the responsibility of completing a homework assignment where they apply the lessons and the concept of the in class instruction.
Okay, I reach the end of the mountain. What button do I hit? Yeah, S. Good. Arrow keys, S, click, delete, remove.
Instruction.
So repeat this until you reach the end of your screencast.
See you in class very soon. Until then, cheers.
Final clip, split, and delete. Okay, I've finished all of my edits. I have deleted all of the quiet portions. I've deleted all of my mistakes.